Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can read an Excel file using Python. For that, guys, you have to do one simple prerequisite. So this is a simple Excel file which I have. So let me write it down. Let's say name, designation, something like that. A simple role so that I can read the file. Let's say name is A, designation is developer. Okay, as simple as that. Let me save this. Let me close this. So we have sample.xlsx simple Excel file. So let me go to the command prompt. So let me go to the command prompt. Now, expand this. First, we have to install one simple. First, we have to install one of the library packages. So we can install pip install. You can write pandas. So this is one of the package which could read in Excel. If we click on enter, so now it has installed pandas CLS. Now let me minimize. Go back to the program. First part you have to get that package of pandas. Okay, and we'll write an alias import pandas as p. Okay, just give me an alias. Then I'll write file name equal to the file which I have. It's sample.xlsx. If the file is in the same folder, you don't have to give the path. You can write like this. Now I have to I'll read the entire Excel file. So Excel file equal to, I'll write p dot. It will have the method called read underscore Excel of file name. It will read the Excel here. Let me copy this. So I can also read the sheet name. We have given the sheet name as uh, sheet 1 itself. So sheet name, I'll just write it down as sheet 1. So I haven't defined any sheet name specifically. So sheet 1 will be created by default. So this Excel file equal to, so this is for reading the entire file. I'll write reading the entire file. If there are more sheets, this is for reading the specific sheet of the file. So I'll copy the same here. Here after the file name, I can give comma. Then I can just specify sheet name. I'll write space sheet underscore name equal to. I'll just try this. So let me save this as. Let me save this as pandas excel.py, and I have to make sure I have to give all files. So in order to comment, you can just write like this. Instead of double quotation, you can give this value. This will exactly read the comment the values here. Now I can print the values. I'll just write print. So I just want to write print Excel. Okay. So it should be 2 underscore small string. Okay. Let me save this. Let me run this now. Python pandas excel.py. Now it should be able to, let me do that. pip install open pyxl. Just install in that library. Now it has been installed CLS. Now let me run the program. It should run properly. See, it has now run. Name and designation, A and developer I have given. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.